check. Captain speaking, like welcome me forward to flight 735 to Atlanta. To apologize for the delay this morning. Snowstorm rolling through Atlanta. Had down to one runway, so delay's been stacking up. Try to get you there as quick and safely as possible. 4 hours, 3 minutes, wheels up to wheels down. Some bumps once we get over the Rockies, and expected some bumps going into Atlanta as well. If you would pay attention to the seatbelt sign, that's our way we can get you and safe to keep on the cabin. Well set up front, should have you off the gate here in a couple minutes. Sure glad to have you this afternoon. Appreciate your business. Thanks for flying with us.
And we will be pushing back from the gate shortly. All large bags should now be stowed in overhead bins. Smaller bags either underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. If you do have a laptop computer, please ensure that it is stored in a bag under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please do not stow those in your seat pocket. If you are seated in exit row seat today, please take a moment to review the exit seating criteria and responsibilities outlined on the safety information card. If you're unable or unwilling to assist us in case of emergency, please contact a flight attendant for immediate reseating. Thank you and welcome on board.